This is an actual robbery! Kiss the ground! Don't breathe! Hit the dirt, big guy! Put that gun away! Here we go.
All tellers, please stand up and open your windows.
Thank you.
You can have her, mister.
40 seconds!
I don't want to take your dog, sweetheart.
Ooh, light-headed. What's happening?
You okay, mister?
Gonna need a little help.
He's gonna need a little help.
Jesus Christ!
Can you make it out of here?
Yeah, I'm okay.
This is my bed! You're a shit shot, pal! Now you're gonna meet your maker! Those were blanks, you dipshit!